to assess what happened. There's barely any snow in the driveway. And the drifts in the backyard. Wow. The snow is covering my car. Oh, it's created a nice ball effect. It's so crazy. And my garbages are covered. This is so weird. Let me go to the front. Here we good. Just the houses. Barely any snow on the driveway. You can see cement. Oh shit. Shit, I can barely breathe. This shit really takes your breath. I can't believe this has been non-stop. Ah, shit. Oh, I really thought the blizzard at 77. They said it really wasn't the snow, it's the wind. Got a little damage here. Screen. Keep this inside so it gets better when it gets it better. But yeah, man. Mother Nature. Praise God that we still have power. God bless everybody stuck at the hospital without power. Stay strong, you know? Fucking tough ass Christmas, man. Definitely blessed though to still be alive. I see this tree took some damage. Very lucky, man.